Coming up in this video, this is part 2 in my flipping up a Tom Collins to give you guys at home some simple but awesome drinks inspiration. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a very easy tropical Collins. So welcome back to the second video in this playlist. This is all loosely based around the Tom Collins, flipping recipes up just to give you guys some amazing drinks inspiration. Impress your friends and family. If you're running pubs or bars, just very simple flips on the original recipe just to give you some wow drinks. So this video is all about a tropical Collins. There is a couple of ways you could make this and I'll quickly show you in there. If you want to know all about the Tom Collins, I'll stick a link up there now so you can go and watch the first video. It explains you how to make the Tom Collins and where it essentially comes from. But this video is the tropical Collins. So let's get straight onto it. We're going to make it in our Collins glass. That is the Tom Collins there. So we're going to make this, we're actually going to make it in a cocktail shaker, give it a quick shake, but this is going to be served up into our Collins glass there, or highball, whatever you want to call it. Now there's a couple of ways you could make a tropical Collins. Firstly, there are amazing gins on the market now like this. This is Porter's for Scotland, Aberdeen. It's their tropical Old Tom gin. It fits the bill perfectly. It's kind of a passion fruit gin. So you could go down that route, but that is obviously a lot harder to get hold of. So I want to give you an easier way to do a tropical Collins. So I'm actually going for just a plain gin in this. No rhyme or reason to using Whitley Neal at all. It's just kind of the brand that I've got lying around here. So we're going in the cocktail shaker and I'm going 50 ml of just the normal standard Whitley Neal gin. If you want to use Bombay, Gordon's, whatever, doesn't really matter. So there we go. So we've got 50 ml of just plain normal gin going in there. Now, same as the other recipes, we're going 25 ml of lemon juice. And then I'm just going, again, just plain sugar. I'm not flipping up the sugar in this. This one's all about doing a different mixer. Okay, so just plain sugar syrup, and I'm going 15 ml. Okay, so 50 ml of gin, 25 ml of lemon juice, 15 ml of sugar. And to get your 15 ml accurately, I'm mentioning in every video because I flipping love it. It's the Mezclar Prestigio. It's lined every 5, 10, 15, 20 ml in that end, and every 10, 20, 30 ml in that end. Just perfect for being accurate. Okay, so that's your base ingredients. Next, we just need to shake this up. So I'm just going to fill my cocktail shaker completely with ice. Now I'm going to ice up my glass as well. Right, then take your tin and we're just going to give this a hard shake. No mixer in there yet because the mixer will be fizzy and you never want to shake anything fizzy. So if you want to make it straight in the glass and build it, there's nothing wrong with this. I'm just preferring to shake these drinks down. So 10-12 seconds, hard shake. Now when you're happy that's cold enough, we're just now going to add our mixer to that, because I find, as I mentioned in the previous video, if I add them straight to the glass and build them, you need to stir in. It just adds one extra action, especially if you're busy. So what I prefer to do is add the mixer. Now this is where the tropical bit comes in. This is now widely available on trade. It will be in these bottles. Off trade supermarkets, you'll get the 500 ml bottles. Fentimans tropical soda, hints of pineapple. It's not that sweet, so you've got pineapple juniper extracts in there as well. It is just absolutely lovely and perfect to make a tropical Collins. And I'm actually going 75 ml for this one. And once you added your mixer in there, no need to stir or anything more. It'll all be nicely blended in when the time you pour it. Just single strain it into your glass. There you have it. That's your tropical Collins finished. Then to garnish, you can garnish this with whatever you want. If you're in pubs and bars, go to town with pineapples, pineapple spears, things like this, or just play it traditional. So I'm going to do the whole orange zest and the whole cherry on top. Serve it with a straw, and that is a simple tropical Collins. There we go. Just using that and lemon and sugar. Cheers.